Hello guys, hope you are doing well. So in today's video we are discussing this question. As you can see, we have a main function in which there we have two variables. First one is a, whose value is 5, and second one is b, and whose value is also 5. As I created blocks for them. Okay, now there is a first statement in which we are printing the value of a and b using pre and post increment. Okay, so first of all I will tell you one thing, that whenever there is a multiple statement in printf function, printf statement, like there is 2, then the printing performs from the right to left, from this manner. Okay, from right to left. Okay, so first of all b minus minus is computed, then plus plus a is computed. Okay, so as you know the concept of pre and post increment or decrement, and to solve this question. Okay, so let's start. So as you can see, first of all we solve this statement b minus minus, which is post decrement. Post decrement means the value first is printed, then the value of b is decreased. Okay, so value of v, what is the value of v? Value of v is 5. Okay, value of b is now printed. Okay, now the value of b is decremented by 1, because whenever we write b minus minus, it means that the value is decreased by 1. Okay, so 5 will be printed. Then we come to this expression. This is pre-increment. In this we are first the value of a is increased, then it will print. Okay, now the value of a is 6, and then it will be printed. Okay, now the value, here we are just printing the value of a and b. The value of b is 4 and the value of a is 6. Okay, so here again the printf function prints values from right to left. So first of all b plus plus is computed, then plus plus a is computed. So as we can see, b plus plus, which is post increment, first the value of b is printed, then the value of b is increased, then the value of b, first the value of b is printed. What is the value of b? The value of b is 4. Now the value of b is increased, that is 5. Now we are seeing plus plus a, which is a pre-increment, which means that the first of all the value of a is increased, then it will print. The value of a is now becomes 7, and the 7 is printed. Now here we can see there is also one more printf statement, which is we are just printing a, value of a and b, then the value of b is 5 and the value of a is 7. So our final output is like this. First, from the first statement we get 6 5, from the second we get 6 4, from the third we get 7 4, and from the last one we get 7 5, which is your output. Thanks for watching.